Behold the engineering masterpiece, the Audi SQ8 Superbike.
Let's take a complete review of its stunning aerodynamics and custom styling before heading to the factory floor.
Raw materials arrive straight at the high-tech factory via heavy logistics transport. Precision machinery unloads the raw materials for heavy chassis fabrication. Every raw sheet undergoes rigorous shape inspection prior to precision cutting. Perfection begins at the microscopic level with certified aerospace-grade raw materials.
Induction heating supercharges the metal, preparing it for massive structural shaping.
Immense hydraulic pressure forces the alloy into an unbreakable structural foundation. Rapid thermal quenching locks in ultimate molecular density and structural integrity.
Multi-axis CNC milling carves away excess weight without compromising a single gram of strength.
Advanced electrochemical anodizing provides superior corrosion resistance and a stealth finish.
Meticulous hand polishing prepares each metal component for advanced chemical treatment. Advanced laser cutters carve out the foundational chassis components. Robotic arms weld the frame components together with flawless structural strength.
Automated robotic welding guarantees absolute geometric precision at every joint.
Weld seams are polished smooth to ensure seamless structural continuity. Digital X-ray scans inspect internal weld structures to ensure zero structural defects. Electrostatic powder coating provides an ultra-durable foundation for the exterior finish. Thermal infrared curing hardens the vibrant finish for a lifetime of showroom brilliance. The cured frame is locked onto the primary assembly line for core integration.
The high-performance multi-cylinder engine is meticulously built by master technicians. The powerhouse engine is lowered and secured into the core of the chassis.
Transmission and clutch assemblies are bolted on with exacting torque specifications. The custom swing arm is joined to the main frame via a high-strength pivot shaft.
Fully adjustable performance monoshocks are integrated for supreme handling dynamics. The chassis and body panels receive their iconic, vibrant yellow finish.
The painted frame moves to the main assembly line for core integration.
The high-performance engine is carefully installed into the chassis core.
Inverted high-performance front forks are locked into the steering head. Wide high-performance radial tires are mounted onto custom lightweight alloy rims. Dynamic laser balancing eliminates high-speed wheel vibration entirely.
Custom wheels are bolted securely onto the axles, bringing the machine to its stance.
High-performance radial braking systems are integrated for immense stopping power. Clip-on handlebars and digital cockpit controls are fitted for ultimate rider command. Intricate electrical wiring harnesses are routed safely throughout the frame channels. The sculpted fuel tank is mounted securely onto the upper frame spine. Lightweight titanium exhaust systems are installed to optimize exhaust flow and sound. Aerodynamic body fairings lock into place, completing the iconic superbike silhouette. Custom diamond-stitched seating is fitted to complete the rider cockpit interface. Wheels and customized rims are bolted securely onto the suspension. Engine oil, coolants, and brake fluids are filled to precise operational levels.
Onboard computers verify that all electronic systems and sensors are fully operational.
The engine roars to life for the very first time on the factory floor. Dyno testing pushes the powertrain to its absolute limit to verify peak performance. Laser alignment guarantees perfect tracking stability for high-speed performance. Strict quality audits maintain zero tolerance for manufacturing imperfections. The final review confirms absolute perfection, matching our initial vision down to the last detail.
The completed Superbike undergoes rigorous dyno testing to verify peak performance.
A thorough wash and polish brings out the immaculate showroom shine. The flagship showroom displays the pinnacle of modern superbike engineering. Laser alignment guarantees perfect tracking stability for high-speed performance. Opel export models receive custom-molded protective crating for safe international transit. Every export crate is hermetically sealed and certified for international air freight.
Industrial material handlers move the crated superbike to the export shipping hub.
International delivery extends worldwide via air cargo logistics. Secured safely within the aircraft hold for global transit. Wind tunnel testing optimizes aerodynamic efficiency down to the smallest detail.
New owners receive a comprehensive technical orientation before taking delivery.
The moment of revelation arrives as the custom cover is lifted. Push-button ignition awakens the high-performance heart of the machine.
Commemorative photos capture the proud milestone of superbike ownership.
With a final wave from the creators, the superbike departs the factory grounds.
Mountain curves test the true potential of the precision-engineered chassis.
The signature exhaust note echoes powerfully through highway tunnels.
Turning heads wherever it goes, under the neon city lights.